Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to draft and cut a basic sleeve pattern. I'm going to show you how to cut the short and the long sleeve. This lesson is going to be beginner friendly, and even if you've not drafted a basic block before, I'll guide you step by step. By the end of this video, you have your own basic sleeve you can use to create any design you want. So grab your tools and let's get started. I'll be starting with the short sleeve, and the first thing I'll do is to draw a straight line. I came down about 1 inch from the tip of the pattern paper. Then from that 1 inch line, I'll come down to mark my sleeve cap height, which is 4 inches. On that measurement, I'll draw a straight line. After that is done, I'll place my tape from the starting line and come down to mark my full sleeve length. Since this is a short sleeve, I'm going to be using 10 inches. And also after that 10 inches, I'll come down 1 inch for a sewing allowance. Then I'll draw a straight line there. Then at this upper arm line, I'm going to impute the round upper arm measurement divided by 2. So the upper arm measurement is 14 inches. 14 inches divided by 2 will give me 7 inches. So I'll mark the 7 inches. Then I'll connect from the starting line all the way down to that 7 inches. And the next thing I'll do, I'll place my tape across this line this way and mark the midpoint. So I'll fold my tape this way and I'll mark the midpoint. And after I mark the midpoint, at this second half of the midpoint, I'll look for the midpoint of that second half also. Then I'll mark. After I mark, at that point, I'll come down by 0.5 inch. Once that is done, I'll connect from this starting line to this midpoint, then to the second half. I'll be using my French curve to do this. So I'll be connecting from this point to this point here. Then I'll turn my French curve and connect from this midpoint to the 0.5 inch, then all the way to the end. And with this, my sleeve cap is ready. And I hope you understand everything I've done so far. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to impute the round sleeve measurement. So I'll impute the round sleeve measurement divided by 2. Then I'll connect from the upper arm down to my full sleeve length this way. And once I'm done, I will add sewing allowance. I will add 1 inch at the upper arm line and also 1 inch at the full length. Then I'll connect. And after I connect, my short sleeve is ready. So I'll go ahead now and draft the long sleeve. Once I'm done, then we'll cut. So this is me drawing my starting line. And from the starting line now, I'll come down to impute my sleeve cap height, which is 4 inches. Then I'll draw a straight line on that 4 inches. Once I'm done marking my sleeve cap height, then I'll place my tape at the starting line and come down to mark my elbow length. Once I'm done with that, I'll place my tape still and come down to mark my full sleeve length. Then I'll add 1 inch for sewing allowance. Once I'm done with that, I'll draw a straight line on this elbow. I'll also come to the full sleeve length and draw a straight line. Then I'll also draw a straight line on the allowance. So this is like the starting line and also the shoulder line, while this is the bicep, also known as the upper arm, while this is the elbow. And this is the full sleeve length and also the sewing allowance. The next thing I'm going to do now is to impute the upper arm measurement divided by 2. Then I'll place my ruler and connect from the shoulder down to the upper arm measurement. And once I'm done, I'll place my tape on this line now and mark the midpoint. And after I mark the midpoint, I'll place my tape again at the second half and mark the midpoint. And after that is done, I'll come down by 0.5 inch at that second midpoint now and connect from the shoulder measurement down to the first midpoint. Then I'll turn the French curve and connect. This is basically what I did for the short sleeve. And now my sleeve cap is ready. The next thing I'm going to do now is to impute my elbow measurement. I'll measure my round elbow measurement divided by 2. Then I'll come to the full sleeve length now and impute my round wrist measurement divided by 2. Then I'll connect from the upper arm measurement down to the elbow, from the elbow down to the full sleeve length. And if you've watched to this point, thank you very much. Please drop a heart for me in the comment section. Let me know you've watched to this point. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so that you get more people who would love to learn from this tutorial. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add the sewing allowance. I'll add 1 inch at the upper arm, at the elbow, and also the full length. Once I'm done with that, I'll connect the measurement from the upper arm this way all the way to the full sleeve length. And my long basic sleeve is ready. And the next thing I'm going to do now is to cut it out for us to see what it looks like. I'll cut this long sleeve first, then I'll go ahead and also cut out the short sleeve. And after cutting the long sleeve, this is what I have. You can see how beautiful it looks. So I'll go ahead now and cut out the short sleeve. There was once a day that I would pray for you, I'd go and misbehave. And this is what the short sleeve look like. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See you in my next video.